Ditch power outages forever. Anker SOLIX C800. The ultimate solar beast. Tired of power outages cramping your style? Meet the Anker SOLIX C800 Plus, the portable power station that laughs in the face of blackouts. With 768 watt-hour capacity and 1,200 watts output, 1,600 watts peak, this solar beast fuels your adventures, keeping everything from laptops to grills running smoothly. Unlike the competition, it charges to 80% in just 2.3 hours with solar or fully in 58 minutes via AC, because waiting is for rookies. Whether you're camping, road tripping, or just tired of unreliable power, this powerhouse has your back. Stay charged, stay prepared, and never be left in the dark again. Why settle for less when you can power 10 devices at once? From coffee makers to CPAP machines, this station handles 89% of home appliances like a champ. Thanks to SurgePad technology, even power-hungry devices up to 1,600 watts won't trip it up. Competing power stations struggle with heavy loads, but the SOLIX C800 Plus delivers seamless, uninterrupted performance. Plus, its 3-mode camping lights ensure that wherever you go, you have reliable illumination. Whether setting up camp or enjoying an evening barbecue, this power station keeps the lights on and the good times rolling. Built with InfiniPower tech and lithium iron phosphate batteries, this beast lasts 6 times longer than standard power stations. It's designed for over 3,000 charge cycles, meaning you get 10 years of daily power, no need to worry about battery degradation. Unlike competitors that degrade quickly, this unit remains a workhorse, built with drop-proof construction, industrial-grade components, and an advanced cooling system. Other power stations fade fast, leaving you stranded when you need them most. With the SOLIX C800 Plus, durability meets reliability, ensuring you have power that won't quit, no matter where life takes you. And let's talk savings. Say goodbye to sky-high electricity bills and overpriced gas generators. With solar recharging up to 300 watts, you get free, renewable energy, whether you're deep in the wilderness or just relaxing on your patio. Need juice in a hurry? Activate ultra-fast mode via the Anker app and go from 0 to full in under an hour. That's 17% faster than similar models. No more waiting for a charge when you're on the go. Why waste time when you can stay powered with efficiency, speed, and clean energy? This isn't just a power station, it's a game changer. Packed with premium features, tested for durability, and backed by a 5-year warranty, the Anker SOLIX C800 Plus is worth every penny. Whether you're an off-grid adventurer, an emergency prepper, or just someone who hates being left powerless, this is the ultimate power solution. Forget the hassle of weak batteries and slow charging. Grab yours now and stay powered, anywhere, anytime.